please give me the opportunity to introduce you guys real quick. So we have three amazing artists. We have Amrita, which is one of the sisters of Skandagiri sisters, and she's a Carnatic vocalist who began her musical journey at the age of just 3. She comes from a family of musicians. She grew up and she had early inspiration from her father and her grandfather, and she has trained for over 15 years under the renowned Hyderabad sisters. She's also performed in Sikha, TTD, and other sabas. Yeah, so without any further ado, please continue with your performance. We're super lucky to have you here today. That was a truly amazing performance. Previously, when I was introducing the artist, I forgot to mention a little bit about our truly amazing violinist, Amrita. Amrita V. Achala is a talented ninth grade violinist. Please give her a round of applause. She's a talented ninth grade violinist trained in both Indian and Western classical music as a disciple of Grammy-winning violinist Sri Ganesh Rajagopalan. Having begun her journey at just 4 years old, she's a seasoned performer who has graced prestigious stages, including the Northwest Folklife Festival and the Chennai Music Season, and she's one of my favorite violinists as well. So thank you so much. The next performance is going to be by Ishan Jyotilingam. He's a 4-year-old prodigy who has demonstrated extensive amounts of bhakti and skill, and this really shows how accessible Sri Swami Muthuswami Dikshitar's songs are to really anyone, regardless of their age. So yeah, please invite Ishan Jyotilingam to the stage.